Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a website for free with no coding required. So the first thing that you need to do is to navigate to a website named Neo, as you see from here. So this website says that it gives you free AI website builder with custom domains, no coding or design or expertise needed. You can try it for free. So I'll click on try it for free, as you see from here, and now you can search for the category that you want. I'll click on e-commerce and retail. So this is just a made up idea to test this website. I will click on generate site, and now it will start generating this website. As you see, this website made me multiple templates. You can choose any template that you like. After that, you can click on edit this design. Now they will prompt you to sign in to their website, as you see right here. Now they will tell you to choose a domain to publish your site. So I will choose something like brew coffee 123 test, and then you can search for this domain. As you see, you can get this domain for free. You can click on get. As you see, now you can actually edit your website. You can edit the header, the intro, and edit anything you want. After that, you can click on publish your website, and you didn't actually use any coding. All of this for free. So that's how you create your free website without any code. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.